Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace this window switch on Scion XB 2005 and similar model. On the previous one this actually broke, the driver
gets stuck,
broke, and actually some other ones
it's still working,
and actually this one did not lock all doors. It was like random, locking, unlocking. So
yeah,
this could also cause the issue. So to replace it or to remove it, you can use something like this. Power is removed, but you need to press like right here and lift it up.
Yep. What we mean is, see, it slides in,
and then this slides inside,
right in, like this, and then to be able to open this up.
You don't need to remove the door panel. And see, here's what I'm talking about.
You push this one right here. This is the locking thing mechanism. Yep, right here. In order to replace this.
Okay, and to release this one here, Alex, demonstrate.
Okay, let me try. So this is the plastic that needs to come off first, and then all the rest of it will come off as well. Right here is the unlocking pin. Pushing it and unlocking it. Hopefully it's gonna go. Right here. See, this thing slides off.
It slides off and then it locks, right?
Right. In order to put it back, I thought it was gonna be easy, but look, in order to put it back, you have to slide this to the back all the way.
Slid out.
Slid out, yeah, all the way at the back. Then you push the disconnector first. Yeah, plug it in,
and then it locks, right?
Yeah, and then it locks just like that. Simple as that.
Okay, and in order to remove this part, there's a screw here and one over here and another one over there. So, and to install it back, put the back in and then press it.